jing betip nam ta khubor like kam hikai kadon ko post ka balaj apo Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong. Kat kum kane ka advertisement. Application are invited for the post of assistant teacher maths qualification devin pass ka BSc lane MSc with B.Ed. In the day section private post kade private post mo mom. Application should reach Saint Anthony Higher Secondary School Shillong on or before 13 June 2023. Kiba kwa aban apply yapan poi ki application ki jongki hap shwa lane khalai tarik jong June arjar apply. Mas kawe pat kabala yapo Saint Raj Higher Secondary School Chowai. Lower primary teacher wanted from class R8 up to class 5. Te ki kam na employment status long full time te ka por long tray long khandai baje hadu shibje sitang ka educational requirement we depend long pass class 12 with 45% plus DLED ka job location ka depo Dulong Sangkhen Jowai ka salary negotiable habanya kren. Last date of submission of the application in standard form is on 12 June 2023. Last date kandai khadar tarik jong manai June arjar apply. Both male and female are allowed to apply. But sendram kante la sha iki can apply. Contact number banyo executive company filawan phone iki number. Kandai pra ndru lai sau san pra ndrew lane kandai nyew sau lai we nyew sau nyew pra. Pilar ban email la kandai email address saintrajschoolJowai14@gmail.com. Thank you, College 1.